Hello, happy new year. I cannot believe we are already in 2026. By the way, it is Sunday, December 4th.
What?
Not December, sorry. Today is Sunday, January 4th. Just like every other person in this world, I do have a lot of goals that I want to accomplish this year. Since 2023, I have been doing a vision board every year. I usually do it in December of the previous year, so I started December 2022 for 2023. But this year, I actually heard that it was not good to do it in 2025 because 2025 was just like, it just had bad vibes and so many things.
Okay.
According to what I read, 2026 was a year for beginnings and just like a lot of other things.
Whatever that means.
So I want to go ahead and do my vision board today. We have a couple other things to do. I bought this calendar. I don't know if you can see it right, but I want to hang this up today along with my vision board. So I want to find something gold where I can put my vision board. There's a lot of things I have to do today, so hopefully you guys like this vlog. The only frames that I'm able to see. I think this is the biggest one, but it's not as big as I was looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep looking. I couldn't find the frame, but I found this one. So I think this is gonna have to do it, or I don't know if this one would be too exaggerated. I am now in my desk. This is where I'm gonna pretty much do all of my vision board things and whatnot. I started doing vision boards, I think my first one was in 2023. At that time, I was in a very different mindset. I was not doing very well emotionally. 2022 was a very difficult year for me because I was diagnosed with depression, and later on that year I was diagnosed with anxiety for the very first time. I had never felt anxiety in my life. I was also in a job that I was not happy. I was super stressed, and I let that pretty much overcome the person that I was, and I wasn't really happy in any other area in my life. So I started getting a little bit into manifestation. I also do have a very good manifestation story, but I am not going to tell you guys the story in this video because I would just be making it too long. I'm also not going to go into details on how I manifest, but I can definitely recommend you guys to practice gratitude on a daily basis. That is one of the best ways to manifest, is by being grateful for all of the things that you currently have. A lot of times people that are not grateful don't get more blessings because they don't appreciate the things that they already have. So that is definitely one of the things that I can recommend you guys. If you don't believe in manifestation, that does not mean that you do not have to create a vision board or that you can't create a vision board. At the end of the day, as the name says it, a vision board is for you to visualize yourself in a future, all of the things you want to accomplish. And besides the manifestation, I definitely do believe that it is one of the best motivational things you can do for yourself. I personally used to do my vision boards in my phone. I would do the collage and everything and save the picture, and that's it. I have been seeing a lot of girls pretty much print out their pictures and do them somewhere where they pretty much can see them every day. So this is why I am going to do it in my desk, and I'm going to put it here in my desk because I do spend a lot of time here. I'm going to show you guys my 2025 vision board, and I'm going to run you guys really quick through all of the things that I accomplished. So this is what my vision board looks like. This was from last year. This was pretty much just things that I had in mind for my year, and my year was just like super busy. I traveled a lot, I planned my wedding, I got married, I did so many things. I am going to be honest with you guys, not everything became true in my vision board. I added a picture of me in the gym, I added a picture of me vlogging, I added a picture of me with my Instagram with 111k followers. Did I accomplish it? No, I did not accomplish it. I am self-aware that the vision board is not a magic board. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I did not eat healthy all year. I did not exercise all year. I did not vlog all year. I did not work on my social medias all year. I did not do a lot of these things. The two things that were missing in my life for me to accomplish these things were consistency and discipline. I didn't invest time on the things I wanted, so I didn't get them, and I have to be completely realistic about it. This year I come with a very clear vision of things that I want. I don't even care if for a lot of people I tell them my goals and they think that they are so unrealistic. No, I do not care. I don't care because I know that I am the creator of my reality, and if I work and if I do the things that I have to do, I can accomplish them. As simple and as easy as that. So it doesn't matter how unrealistic it is to everybody else and even to yourself. Put the picture in your vision board. See it every day, get motivated, work towards your goals. Nothing is impossible. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? You don't accomplish it? Well, maybe if you worked on it, then you're a step closer than you were before. I have been chatting a little bit too much. I hope I'm not boring you guys. I wrote down a couple of the things that I want to accomplish. So I want to be more consistent with my skincare routine and actually put products that help my skin get facials more consistently. So let's say that's my first goal. So what I would do is I would go on Pinterest, put on the search bar, facials. So you go, you run through the pictures, and anything that you see, I mean, just go ahead and download it, and that would be the image that you put on your vision board. Put anything you want in present form. I get facials consistently. If you want clear skin, I would download an image of clear skin and put, I have clear skin. Another thing that I really want to accomplish is graduating from school. But yeah, pretty much go on Pinterest, check the pictures. It doesn't matter how many pictures you put. You can put 10, you can put 40, you can put 100 pictures. At the end of the day, it's for you to see, for you to get motivated, for you to know what you're working on. So put as many pictures as you want. I would say put all your images in a collage and then go ahead and print it, which is what I am currently doing right now. I want to show you guys a couple of examples of what I was saying earlier. I printed out this picture, which is just like a girl reading, and I don't know if you can see the letters I put, but it says I gain knowledge daily. Remember to add your affirmations in present tone. There's another one, this one, I eat healthy. And for the quotes, this is a good example. I am a magnet for abundance, love, and success.